Hello everyone, welcome to this course on Python programming. So let's start this course, and before we start, this course will be entirely on hands-on mode. So you'll be doing, or you're supposed to do, the programming together with me. Okay, and before we start with that, let's first ask ourselves why Python. Okay, so why we should be learning Python, or you may be coming from different backgrounds and different engineering streams. So what is the relevance of Python in each of them? So here's the statistics. It shows the most searched programming language in the world, and from here you can see how or why Python is the currently the most important programming language. Okay, so of all the Google search trends, around 26% is for Python alone. So that's 1/4 of the entire search engine results are aiming for Python. Okay, so you can see the other languages like C, C++ that comes to about 6% and things like that. Okay, and we should also understand why this kind of popularity. Okay, and Python has this kind of popularity because it has, or it can, and it has been applied in many different applications. Okay, whether that be artificial intelligence, robotics, web development, or web scraping, etc. Okay, in any branch of engineering, for example, you can always find something, or you can find some application which you can do using Python. Okay, and Python is a really easy language when you are comparing with C or C++, and it's much easier to learn Python also. Okay, so that's why we have chosen Python as the preferred programming language. And let's go into the details. Okay, um, when you're working from your computer, there are two options for using Python, or there are many different other options also, but I would recommend these two. One is using a software called Anaconda. Okay, so that's a software that you can download from the internet for free, and then you can install it on your system, and you are good to go. Okay, you don't need a internet connection while doing the programming task, etc. The second one is for people who can, or who have access to internet all the time. If they don't want to download and install a new software, they can simply use a web based compiler known as Google Colab. Okay, so in Google Colab and Anaconda, both of them, the user interface, everything you see, it's almost exactly the same. Okay, so yeah, if you're using either of them, it doesn't matter for this course, because I'll be mostly sticking with Google Colab, since I believe most of you are going to use Google Colab. And those who wish to use Anaconda, they can, you can install it. That's fine. The user interface, everything will remain the same anyway. Okay, so let's just see how you can install it. So if you just search on Google Anaconda Python, this is the first site that's coming up for me. Okay, so free download Anaconda, and once you click there, you can see the website for Anaconda, and from here you can just download it. Okay, um, it may be like a little big, because it comes with all the necessary packages pre-installed. You don't have to install additional libraries by yourself. Almost all the libraries that you might need are already pre-installed. Okay, so that's why I recommend Anaconda also. We don't have to go and additionally look for things that we need to install, etc. Okay, so you get everything out of the box. So that's one option. You can just click download the file, and proceed as normally how you install any program. Okay, it's straightforward. There is no complexity involved. Okay, and the second option, you can just again Google Colab. You can search, and then this site will come up. Welcome to Collaboratory Google. So once you click there, this page will open up. Okay, and you would have to like um, you have to log into your Google account also. So when this page comes up, just click on new notebook. Okay, so each file here in Colab or in Anaconda also, it's known as notebook. I'll show the Anaconda also in the same video, but let's first see the Google Colab, how to run it. Okay, so here you can see the Google Colab. I'm not going into details now, so you can see the cursor blinking over here. So this is where you will write the code. Okay, so you can just write your first code. Just write print, then open up bracket, then inside quotes. The quotes can be double quotes or single quotes. That's fine. Then just type something. Okay, so normally in programming, everyone starts by writing hello world. Let's just do the same. You can write whatever you want, and once you have written the code, in order to run the code, you can just press the play button here. Okay, or you can just use the shortcut control plus enter. So just there, so it will show allocating, connecting, etc. the first time you press it, and you might have to wait a few seconds. Yeah, so now it's connected, and it shows you some RAM that's allocated to you, etc. And now we get the output. Okay, so it shows hello world. So the output of the program, that also you can see right here. Okay, so this was Google Colab, and now let's see Anaconda. Okay, okay, so once you have installed Anaconda, you can launch that by just looking up for Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so once you click on Anaconda Navigator, this program or this window should come up, and from there you have to launch Jupyter Lab. Okay, so this one you have to launch. So just click on launch, and the Jupyter Lab that opens up in your browser actually. Okay, so the internet browser which you're using, the Jupyter Lab will open up in your browser. So here, yeah, so it's opening the Jupyter Lab. Just give it a few seconds. Okay, so this is some code which I had written. So let's just take it away. So when you're opening here, you can see the like file system on your computer over here, and then you can just go to the folder where you wish to make any new file. Okay, so I'm just going to documents, and from there you can just click on this notebook Python 3. Okay, so that brings up that opens a new notebook. So here, and you can see that again it's exactly same to the Google Colab interface. Okay, so this was Google Colab, and the same thing, almost same thing you can see here. Okay, so if I just type the same code over here, I just copy it. Okay, and again to run here, you can press the play button over here, or else just type or press Control plus enter. Okay, so here you can see the output. Okay, so this is yeah, this is Anaconda, and you're using Jupyter Lab in Anaconda, or if you wish to use Google Colab, that's also fine. Your Google Colab files, it will be saved in your Google Drive itself directly, so it will be easy for transportation, etc. Okay, so we can stop this video for now. we'll start writing few more lines of code from the next video. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.